Welcome to Plug and Play demonstration here in Norway. We are today here with our Bauer dealer, and he's making a demonstration at a local farm of a plug and play separator. We are in Drammen, just outside Oslo, on a farm with about 140 cows, and we are separating cow slurry today. We're getting the slurry directly from the barn, from the pit here. Our plug and play is sucking the slurry. The overflow is going back into the pit, and after separation the clear water is going through this pipe into the lagoon. The lagoon we see down here. Also, you have a very nice view here from the farm. You see the slurry is going back into this lagoon after separation. So for a plug and play demonstration, call your local Bauer dealer. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.